Alright, we're out here with my 2011 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. I'm about to put the 5W30 Valvoline Restore and Protect inside for its first oil change. I emptied out both of the oil catch cans. There's the valve cover side, and here's the PCV valve, the positive crankcase, ventilation valve. I shook it up, and in it goes. Valvoline says that it will remove 100% of deposits on anything that the oil will touch in the engine, and that's with continued use, and it says on the bottle 4 consecutive oil changes with the Valvoline Restore and Protect. So this is going to be the first one. Okay, got all 5 quarts.